Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Let's get started and complete our chapter, which we are going birds, feet, and claws. Children, we saw that different kinds of birds, they have different kinds of beak, correct? We studied how the birds' beaks are different as per the food they eat and their feeding habits, right? The same way, birds are having different feet and claws. What are the feet? The way our feet is there, that, and the feet toes. The toes of our feet, which we call in human being, we call it as toes, but for the birds we call it as claws. Okay, feet and claws of birds are shaped to suit their perching and food habits. Claws are long, curved nails present on the feet. Yes, claws can be used for climbing, protecting themselves, holding their food, swimming, and perching. What is perching? Perching is nothing but the way the birds sit on different wires. You have seen, right? Birds sitting on the tree, birds sitting on wires, electricity wires, right? And even you have seen birds sitting on the wires on which we spread our clothes, right? The way they hold it is called it as perching. Can you see, children? See how the birds are sitting here? Yes. Can you see how a parrot has is holding the particular branch on which it is sitting? That is called as perching. Children, the way, as I said, birds have different beaks. Even the feet and claws of the birds are also different. Can you just see in the picture? See, the feet and the claws of the parrot is different. See how it is of different of the duck, and even for the eagle. Different birds have different habits. So their feet and claws also differ in their shape and size. Let's just see how parrot is having different. See, birds like crow, sparrow, myna. Yes, they can hold the branches of the tree very firmly even when they are sleeping. Can you see the claws and the feet of the crow, sparrow, myna, thrush? How firmly, how nicely, how tightly they are holding the branches. And you know one unique thing, they can sleep while perching. That is called as perching. When they are perching also, they can sleep. While just holding the branch, they can firmly, they can sleep. Yes. Such birds are called as perching birds. What are they called as? They're called as perching birds. They have long, slender claws. They have, see, can you see the claws of there? They are having long, slender claws, and especially they have 3 toes in front and 1 toe in back. Can you see 1 toe in the back? It helps them to hold the branches or wire properly. Branches or the things properly. Can you see one here? Yes. 3 are in the front and 1 is in the back. Now let's just see the next one. Climbing birds like parrot and woodpecker have 2 toes in front and 2 in the backward. Climbing birds can clinch on the bark of the tree. In the sense, they can hold the tree properly. For that, they need 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the pack. So they are called as climbing birds. Yes, climbing birds can clinch to the bark of the tree nicely. Now these are the praying birds like eagle, hawk, owl have strong, sharp claws. Can you just see eagle's claws? It is so sharp and they are very strong. And why it is that way? Because they eat other animals. Animals like eagle, hawk, vulture, owl, they eat other animals. They hunt and eat. For that reason, when they are flying, they just come down, pick the animal. Whenever they see any animal, they just pick it and they just take it away. When they imagine, eagle is found a rat, okay, an eagle found a rat on the ground somewhere. It will fly down, come and pick the rat. So if rat has been picked, it will start shaking, right? So that it should not shake. It has that strong claw so that anything which they are holding should not fall off from their claws. Praying birds like eagle, hawk, and owl have strong, sharp claws. Can you see how sharp and strong they have? These claws, see here how they have holded. These claws help them catch and hold their prey firmly and they can carry it away. Once more, just let's recall, what did we study? Perching birds. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and crow have long, slender claws with 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Their toes curl around the branches or a wire and holds it firmly. Sparrows and other perching birds can even sleep while perching on the wires of the branches of trees. See here how the birds are sitting on the tree? Yes, while sitting on the tree, they can sleep. They sleep off also. So they don't fall. See, whenever you're sleeping in the sleepy mode, you turn here and then we will not get to know. But these kind of birds, they hold it nicely with their claws, perch it, and by perching, they even fall asleep. And then we saw, let's not just see swimming birds. Yes, we saw climbing birds, correct? Birds like woodpecker, parrots, they have 2 toes pointed upward and 2 toes pointed downward. These birds can clinch to trees to catch insects and to hold the fruits. Clinging is nothing but like how we do rock climbing. If we are doing some climbing on the wall, how we hold it, that is called as clinging. To hold it upward, for that they need 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the backward so that they can stand on the flat standing surface nicely. What will they help? It helps them to eat, because I said, you say, remember, I said you saying that woodpecker eat food from the wood. In the sense, insects, what are the insects available in the wood? They pick it up and they eat it. For that, they need to clinch on the wood, tree. And also, when they are clinching on the trees, they can even hold the fruit in their beak properly. Yes, children, also we saw the third thing saying that birds of prey, the birds which eat other animals, how they catch up the animal and they fly away. For that, they need strong claws so that they hold the prey, hold the other animal which they have catched very strongly. For today, we'll only learn 3 things. We learned perching birds, we saw climbing birds, and we saw bird of prey. Rest we will do in the next class.